Planet Earth is facing dangerous challenges. One of the most is its important series of environmental pollution and its results from global warming. Greenhouse effect. The technological and industrial progress exaggerated environmental imbalance and resulted in environmental pollution with the enormous consumption of limited natural resources until the environment became unable to renew its resources. Through our daily dealings and the accumulation of waste from various activities, smokes are rising from the combustion of petroleum products, factory chimneys, power plants, automobile smoke's exhaust, and combustion of biomass from agricultural residues, cattle dung, and forest fires, in addition to some impurities and heavy metal steam. This was a major reason for air pollution and global warming. In 2005, Ahmad al-Masri started to think about how to get rid of air pollutants and wastes. I'm citizen Ahmad al-Masri. The idea is dissolving gases in water. The idea started when I participated in the construction of an iron bishay steel factory. I noticed that when water falls in the blast furnace, it makes a big explosion. From here, I started to think how to get rid of carbon dioxide and melt it in the water. I started the first invention in 2008, the fumes and dust hood. After research and experience in 2008, he created an incinerator model to get rid of residues and waste safely without fumes or smokes. It is based on the idea of dissolving carbon dioxide, fumes and ash waste inside unusable water. I recorded the idea and measured it till the outcoming exhaust of carbon dioxide went down to 1.4% and the oxygen reached 21%. This idea became a multiple burner with benefits in 2009. When used wastewater in the device, the analysis proved that it became water suitable for agriculture. The device consists of water tank loading by unusable water such as seawater or sewage, and fire tank, incineration or oven, and another water tank at the end of the device cycle to collect resultant water that becomes usable. Steps of the working device. Put wastes and refuses inside the elevator from the top of the device from the upper door. Only one worker can turn the device on. Device doesn't need electricity or fuel for burning. Light the fire from the front door. Close the front door tightly. Put another wastes from the upper door and close it tightly. Then begin the process of combustion. Note that water going out strongly from the device. The device doesn't produce fumes or heat. During the burning process, as a result of pressure, the rushing water can be used to generate electricity. Combustion process doesn't consume more than 20 minutes at a time. Another result is that the outcoming water is cold, which is suitable for cultivation and contains nanocarbon. We burnt an amount of plastic, wastes, and car rubber, and the result was water, and I drank it to prove to the world that it's not harmful to humans. Water resulting from the process was analyzed and found to be suitable for agriculture, and that is proven by the analysis of several agencies, such as the American University, the Desert Research Center, the Ministry of Agriculture, and the National Research Center. We burnt waste without fuel, and the output of the process was water suitable for cultivation. It rushes strongly, and through turbines, it can be used to generate electricity. Can make incinerators for hospitals and factories, and incinerators for hotels and be able to implement the idea on mobile incinerators. The cost of our device is low in comparison to the cost of existing incinerators used now. We can see after opening the front door that the remaining residues and wastes have melted into the water. The device can burn all kinds of wastes and suck fumes and fire residues inside waterways that are designed to dissolve produced gases. This model can be applied to burn any kind of residues of any quantities, can be mounted on the mobile units, vehicles transporting wastes. As the combustion process takes place in a short time, it doesn't exceed 20 minutes at a time. After the success of the first model, I thought about applying it on the car exhaust. Device 2. Ahmed al-Masri had to apply another idea and invented a form of device dubbed exhaust pipe Pharaohs. It is a filter in the form of a metal box filled with unusable water to be installed on the equipments and machines. It worked to purify exhaust of carbon dioxide. The exhaust goes out clean and cool air. This helps to decrease the heat emitted as a result of combustion. It also contributes to reduce fuel consumption by 50%. The device can be applied to any machine. A good idea was born to prevail peace on earth.